Hello, myself I am Dr Ranga Reddy, consultant cardiologist, Apollo Jubilee Hills. This is Mrs. Lila Nair. She is a patient. She was suffering from mitral valve, severe mitral regurgitation. So there is a leakage in the left side of the heart valve. She is suffering from quite some time, and she was admitted 6 months back with severe breathing difficulty. And then she was discharged. She was kept on multiple medications, but still her lung is congested. She is having breathing difficulty. She is not able to do her regular activities. So we have discussed with the family and regarding this new treatment which is called Mitra Clip, which is a non-surgical transcatheter valve repair with clip procedure, which can be done through right femoral vein with a short anesthesia and with continuous transesophageal echo, which is live. We monitor the leakage, whether if it's reduced or not. So we place the clip. So single clip was initially placed, and then we have checked where the area of the leakage is significant, and then it was reduced to moderate. Then we need to use another clip. After that, where the leakage was significantly reduced, there is very minimal leakage, and then within 12 hours she is fine. We have shifted her to the room, and after that we have discharged her. She is able to do her regular activities. We are slowly reducing her medications which were at high dosages previously, and she can do all her regular activities.
I am 87 years old, and 6 months back I had problem for my heart. I was not knowing what is happening to me. Even if I walk 10 minutes, I am getting tired. Again, I have to sit, and I can't do much work also at home. Walking has become a problem for me. I need somebody's help for walking, all those things. Then my son took me to the here 6 months back had admitted me, and the doctors told that I got a murmur in my heart. For that they gave the treatment. I was under medication, but again it continued. Then my sons came. They were not here, they came and they told me that we will go and meet the doctor again. He took me to the doctor here, and he suggested that for my mitral valve some problem is there. So according his suggestion, whatever he suggested to him, my sons, they did. And now I am very happy. Now I can do everything without any problem. I can walk, I can see my gardens, all those things. I am very happy now. Yes, I thanks a lot for him. I consider him as my own son.